strange sounds during village journey. Binky the bunny woke up early in his cozy burrow under the big oak tree. Outside, the rain was pouring heavily and puddles had formed along the village paths. Binky twitched his nose and stretched his little paws. Today was the day he and his best friend Pogo the goat were going to explore the mysterious village trail. Pogo was waiting near the old barn. He hopped excitedly from one muddy puddle to another, his tiny horns glistening with raindrops. Binky smiled. "Are you ready, Pogo?" he shouted. "Yes, yes, yes!" bouncing with excitement. Lulu, the little cow, was standing shyly near the barn. She mooed softly and stamped her hooves nervously. Grandma Farmer came out of her small hut wearing a yellow raincoat and straw hat. She held a basket in her hands. "Remember, kids, be careful. The village paths are slippery and stay together." Binky, Pogo, and Lulu nodded eagerly and waved as they stepped out into the rain puddles. Almost immediately, a strange sound echoed from the old hut near the creek. It was a soft, whispering creak. Binky's ears twitched. "Do you hear that?" Pogo asked nervously. "Yes," whispered Lulu. Pogo giggled. It's probably the wind, but his eyes were wide with curiosity as they walked slowly. The strange sound grew louder. It sounded like a faint melody mixed with rustling leaves. The group paused in front of a wooden bridge. The planks were wet and slippery. Binky stepped carefully first, then Pogo and Lulu tiptoed behind. The shimmering creek water reflected lightning flashes. Suddenly, a loud creak came from the hut roof. Pogo jumped back and Lulu squealed. Binky took a deep breath. "Let's go see what it is, together." Inside the hut, it was dim. The rain dripped from the holes in the roof. Puddles reflected a small glowing stone on the floor. Binky hopped closer. The humming sound became clearer. It sounded magical, almost like a secret song. Pogo stepped on a loose plank and slipped a little, but giggled loudly. The stone glowed brighter as Binky touched it. A small secret door opened, revealing a hidden stash of carrots, fruits, and colorful gems. Binky gasped. "Wow, this is amazing!" The friends carried some treats outside and shared them amongst themselves. Pogo tried to sneak a carrot, but slipped into a puddle, splashing water everywhere. Lulu diggled, Binky laughed, and the village dogs barked as if cheering for them. Grandma Farmer came running under her umbrella. "Are you kids safe?" "Yes, Grandma, we found magical treats," Binky shouted happily. She smiled, seeing them drenched but joyful. Good children always help each other and stay together. The rain slowed and a rainbow appeared over the village. The friends continued along the muddy trail, hearing more strange sounds from trees and huts. Each sound made their hearts race, but also made them braver. They discovered tiny frogs hopping around, colorful birds peeking from branches. They laughed, ran, and explored puddles carefully, learning about village wonders and helping lost chicks find their way home. Pogo even rescued a tiny frog that had slipped into a puddle. As evening came, the sky turned pink and orange. The friends arrived at the village center, tired, wet, but happy. Binky hugged Pogo and Lulu. "We were brave today and discovered so many secrets." Grandma Farmer chuckled and said, "See, children? Every mystery becomes a story if you face it together. The strange sounds that had frightened you earlier now sound like music and laughter of the village itself." That night, Binky curled up in his burrow, dreaming about glowing stones, secret doors, and the adventures yet to come. He knew tomorrow there would be more puddles, more strange sounds, more discoveries, but he felt brave and excited, ready to explore the magical village again.